Argentina is a large country with strong climate variability. The country extends longitudinally over 3,700 kilometers, and the continental portion of the territory is about 2,800,000 square kilometers, around 5 times the size of Spain. The great latitudinal extension between 22 degrees and 55 degrees south latitude creates wide climate variety from subtropical climates in the northern part of the country to the very cold weather in Patagonia. However, there is a predominance of mild climate in most of the country. When considering climatic and hydrological conditions, 3 regions can be identified in Argentina. A humid region in the northeast, littoral, and the Pampa Húmeda region. This receives more than 800 millimeters of precipitation a year and occupies an area of 665,000 square kilometers. It concentrates 70% of the national population and 80% of agricultural production, and 85% of industrial activity. A semi-arid region, central strip of the country, which concentrates 28% of the national population, and irrigation is essential here for the development of certain crops, given the important water deficit during a large part of the year. And an arid region, most of the northwest and central west of the country, that concentrates only 6% of the population, and agricultural production is completely dependent on irrigation. Argentina is a water-rich country with an even distribution of water resources. Renewable resources in Argentina, accounting for long-term averages, are approximately 20,400 cubic meters per capita, which is above most countries and well above the water stress threshold defined by the United Nations Development Programme. The most important rivers in Argentina are those that drain into the Atlantic Ocean, or approximately 10% of total national resources, as they act as fluvial corridors of great economic and ecological importance. In 2003, the 23 provinces and the city of Buenos Aires and the national government signed a federal water agreement that laid down the foundations of a national water policy. Through the agreement, the parties adopted 49 guiding principles for water policy, which acknowledge the value of water as a social and environmental resource for the society. The principles call for the protection of the resource. But, although there has been some progress, there are still some challenges that remain. They include, among others, interjurisdictional conflicts over waters. Planning focuses mainly on the delivery of hard infrastructure, or discretionary investments carried out with no evidence-based decision support system. So today, on Water Day, let's raise awareness on its importance and remember that it's an invaluable source for life. World Water Day.